Welcome to our journey through the captivating visions found in the book of Ezekiel. Today we're diving into chapters 41 to 44, where Ezekiel offers us a vivid tour of a new temple, its extraordinary details and powerful symbolism. Intrigued? Well, let's get started. In chapter 41, Ezekiel is shown the temple's inner sanctuary. Every detail in this vision serves a purpose, from the measurements of the holy place to the intricate carvings of cherubim and palm trees. There's a message of divine craftsmanship and sacredness. What's fascinating is verse 4, where the inner room's dimensions are revealed to be more than mere numbers. They symbolize God's perfect order. Understanding these details reminds us of the importance of holiness and reverence in our lives. Moving to chapter 42, we encounter the temple's outer courts. Ezekiel describes chambers reserved for priests, emphasizing the theme of separation, setting the sacred apart from the ordinary. Verse 14 highlights how the priests must not go into the outer court in their holy garments. Imagine this as a call to respect and honor the divine presence, driving home the value of maintaining purity in moments of worship. Chapter 43 is where things get truly exciting. God's glory returns to the temple. Imagine the profound sense of hope and renewal as the glory of God enters the east gate. Verse 5 vividly depicts this with, "The Spirit lifted me up and brought me into the inner court, and the glory of the Lord filled the temple." This moment signifies restoration and rekindled relationship, encouraging us to welcome the divine into our lives with open hearts. Finally, chapter 44 delves into the rules for the newly restored temple. It outlines the duties of the Levites, guardians of the sacred space. Pay close attention to verse 23, which highlights their role to teach the difference between holy and profane. This concept transcends time, urging us to discern and choose wisely in our daily actions. Ezekiel's vision calls us to ponder deep questions of sacredness, reverence, and renewal. These timeless truths, captured in ancient text, invite us to reflect on how we integrate the divine into our everyday lives. Thanks for exploring this remarkable part of Ezekiel with us. Until next time.